Not trying to judge, gang, but this is a sick truck right here, man. You know what the bad part about it? Oh boy works here. You think he might be getting all the Hot Wheels? Let's find out. Dollar Tree. All right, gang, here we are. Not much on the pegs. I see something already. Because I hollered about this so much, I'm gonna take another one since I'm here. Let's see. You know what? I don't think I had this one. Don't think I had this one, so I might as well take this. Not much on the pegs. Matchbox is nothing. Got a BMW. Not much, not much. Add it down. Give me one sec. All right. I think I'm gonna roll with those three right there. Not much here. We have the Dollar Tree like in Corona or something. I know I got that one, but there's nothing else here. Nothing for me. Anyway, man, great hunting or good hunting, everybody. Do your thing. A Cadillac, dude. I don't know if I have this one. I think I'm gonna grab that one too. Why not? All right, guys. We out.